Welcome guys, today I'm with the Nokia C31 and I'm going to show you a few camera tips for this device. Okay, so first of all, when you start from the camera application, let's go for the photo mode and click on the screen. When you make it, you will get this slider on the right side and you can adjust brightness level manually. When you click on the screen again, you will adjust this brightness manually. Next, we can use volume buttons. They are located on the right side. We can click volume up, volume down, and as you can see, you can also click and hold this button and we will also take photos. When you click and hold shutter speed, it's not working. Next, we can move between lenses. We can go for the macro lens and the wide lens, and when you try to zoom in, you can make it also with your two fingers by pinching screen. And as you can see, when you click and hold this preset, you will also unlock this slider. When you go to the settings right here, you can enable the night mode. So in the low lighting condition, you will basically get more details by taking the photo. As you can see, there's the information that the night mode is turned on. We have to hold our camera steady until the photo will be taken, and that's how we can get the night mode in this phone, and the same for the camera. As you can see, when we are here, we can also turn on the flashlight or even the camera timer. Here we can also enable camera beauty mode for our faces. Here we can change aspect ratio and we can enable the grid lines. As you can see right now, they appear on the screen and they help us to take better composition on the photos. When you click in this place, you can also enable HDR, flashlight and turn on this night mode. But when you go to the settings, you will find the description of the night mode and the HDR option. In the video mode, we can also adjust the brightness level. We can also turn on the flashlight. And here we can find Google Translate. So if you want to translate anything, for example, I would like to use on my window cleaner, I have to point on the text that is in front of me and then click on the search. And right now, as you can see, it's automatically translate from the Polish to the English. We can also turn on the volume and use listen option.
Lewis, grapefruit, glass and glaze cleaner with preparation for cleaning windows, mirrors.
And honestly, it's very advanced option and really nice in this phone. In this smartphone camera application, we can find not a lot of options, but this translate is really amazing option. So I can recommend you to use it if you need to translate something. And basically that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.